my name's Ivan. Today I'm going to teach how to make cheesecake. First, let me show you the ingredients. This is cream cheese. This is the sugar. This is flour, 2 eggs, whipped cream, and lemon juice. Let us start it. First, put the cream cheese sugar, flour, eggs into the mixing bowl. Lemon juice, and mix them together. And then we add the whipped cream. And mix it well. Now pour the mixture into rice cooker bowl. Then we put the rice cooker bowl into the rice cooker. Press the start button. The rice cooker alarmed it. We need to test it. Is it great? It is great. Now we just need to remove it to the room temperature. Let it cool. The time already passes 30 minutes. Now we just need to put this into the refrigerator. Done. The time already passed an hour. Now we just need to take it out of the refrigerator and turn and put it in on a plate. Delicious cheesecake is ready to enjoy. Now I have a little taste of it. Very yummy.